Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Another requested recipe, guys. You guys are asking me how to make blueberry muffin in my kitchen. I want to show you how I make a fast and easy blueberry muffin. Come on and let's get started.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's get right into this muffin now. Alright, all your ingredients will be down below for a best recipe. But let's talk about what I'm going to use. I'm going to use self-rising flour. And the reason why I'm going to use self-rising flour is going to give my muffin a really smooth texture that I like. Salt. So also to that, I'm going to add my organic blueberries right there. 2 eggs. Vanilla. Also going to add some granulated sugar to that. Butter. I'm also going to add some orange juice, salt, and heavy cream. Or if you don't have heavy cream, use milk. Whatever kind of milk that you choose to use, you go ahead and use that, okay? So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you wash your blueberry thoroughly. You're going to throw them in a container and you're going to make sure you look for stuff like that. You want to make sure you take out the blueberries that are not good. You don't want to make muffins with blueberry that looks like this. And then you wash them off real good and your blueberries should be ready. Okay guys, we're moving on to the next step. After you're done, make sure you have blueberry nice and clean. You're going to add your sugar. You're going to add your butter. And combine this together. Then you add your eggs. And that's 2 eggs. Now I'm going to change over and start whisking this together. You're going to add your orange juice, heavy milk, or heavy cream, or regular milk if you have it, vanilla. Then we're going to set this aside. You're going to get your self-rising flour, add your salt. I'm going to add my blueberries into my mixture. I'm going to leave back some of the blueberry to finish off the top of my muffin. And just work that in. And then we will move on to our next step. Now you just want to go ahead and pour your flour into your mixture, and you're just gonna fold this in. You don't want to over mix it because your mixture is going to ruin it. That's how your mixture needs to be, just like that. You want to go ahead and let this sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, we're moving on to our next step. Now you should have a preheated oven ready, and your oven should be on 350 degrees. And these blueberry muffins are going to be baked for a full 25 minutes. Okay, so with your baking container, if you have vegetable oil, butter, in my case I'm going to use my non-stick spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray my container. Make sure you spray the whole thing, or you rub your butter on, or whatever you want to use on top of that. And then place your muffin cups inside of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my mixture inside of that. So I'm just going to put a little bit more blueberries on top of my muffins. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the oven. And when I come back in 25 minutes, I will have perfectly baked blueberry muffins. See you back. There you have it guys, my blueberry muffins are all done. They're still very hot, so I'm going to let them cool for about 5 minutes, and then I show you what it looks like on the inside. Because my blueberry is right through and through in the muffin. Oh, this is so good. So good. Look at that. Look at that. There you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. My blueberry muffins are so good. Like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation. Full coverage. You know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.